Hi, I'm Chuck Lofton. You've already been outside, so you know it is really muggy, and later today 88 degrees and a chance of a scattered shower or a thunderstorm, but I think mainly dry today. If you're going to the Indians game, remember they play this afternoon against Louisville, and it'll be warm there again with a high of 88. Very warm air surging in from the southwest. For the most part, this is dry. We could see in the heat of the day a pop-up thunderstorm here or there. Tomorrow it's kind of a different story. Area of low pressure spreads strong thunderstorms to northern Indiana, and some of that, as you can see, could dip down here Thursday. Friday, basically the same scenario, although will be warmer. Let's go 88 for a high today. Very warm, very muggy. And then we really start warming up. 88 Thursday, but Friday and Saturday, the first 90-degree weather since September of last year, 92 Sunday and Monday. Details throughout the day at WTHR TV, WTHR.com, and our WTHR weather app.